In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to set up C#. To be able to do C#, you need to install a compiler. The compiler I recommend for this project is Microsoft Visual Studio. To do so, open up a search engine like so, and just look up Microsoft Visual Studio. Then you want to select the option that has Visual Studio IDE. And depending on the version, I've got 2019 here, you'll have 3 options. So this is available in both Windows and Mac version. So this option here is for Windows. So you want to download the community version, which is free for students and teachers. You'll notice in the bottom left-hand corner, depending on your browser, I've got Chrome, it will download an exe file. So I'm going to run the exe file. Yep, so continue. You then will be presented with a Visual Studio installer. Okay, so you have several options here in terms of what default settings you want to load up. For the C#, we'll be selecting the .NET desktop environment. So select this one here. Be mindful that each time you select an option, you'll have to download more framework. So try to resist the temptation of downloading everything at the same time. So you can see here, it'll tell you it's 4.66 gigabytes of install. So then I press install. You'll notice you go to a second install menu. Okay, once you've done the install, Visual Studio will launch automatically. You'll come up with this option here, so you want to select the launch option. This is the main menu for Visual Studio every time you launch, and this is where we'll be using for all these C# tutorials. Thank you for watching me how to set up this C# application.